In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 tips on tuples that every Python programmer must know. So let's get started. Did you know that you can create a tuple without even using the parentheses? You can directly write 10, 20 and 30 for example and print t. You will get a tuple here as you can see clearly. And suppose you have a tuple here with 10, 20, then you can access those values by creating two variables x and y, which will be equal to t. Now you can print x and y, and you can access x and y whenever you want. And suppose I have a tuple here and it have grades of student starting from A to F. Now I can have the best grade and the worst grade. But I also want the grades B, C, D together. And in order to do that, I can write asterisk and then I can write average here. Now all I have to do is give T here and then I can write print best, average, and then worst. And as you can see, we have got A and F as best and worst and BCD in a list, which are the average grades. So suppose we have a tuple here 10, 20, 30, 50, and 80. Then in order to find the maximum and minimum of this, for that you can use the max function by giving t here. Similarly, Python also have the min function. You will again give t here. Now, if you also want to find the sum of this tuple, then you can also use the sum method by writing sum and then giving t. This will give you max, min and sum of this tuple. As you can see here, max is 80, min is 10 and sum is 190. Suppose you have a function here. Here I am returning something, name of a person, and here I am writing his occupation, which is programmer, and finally his age, which is 25 for example. Now you can access all these three elements by creating a name variable, then we'll call occupation like OCC, and then we have age, and this will be equal to the function we are calling, and this will store all the three values like this.